This is the CGX Quick 20R headset. This package contains HydroFlex sensors, Flex sensors, dry-pad sensors, dry-pad ear sensors, rechargeable batteries, and a charger, active and passive lead wires A1 and A2, ear clips, alcohol wipes, a Bluetooth dongle, and skin-tacked sensors. These are the sensor pods, the legs, and the ear pads. Here are the handles we'll use to pull the headset on. Here's the battery compartment and the A1 double ear clip containing reference and ground. Here's the single ear clip for the A2 channel. The wireless amplifier collects signals, transmitting them to the Bluetooth dongle. Before we begin, download the latest version of our acquisition software. These are the sensors you can choose from to best fit your subject. Use dry-pad sensors in positions where your subject has no hair, like the forehead and bald areas. Use flex sensors to penetrate hair, or use the soft HydroFlex sensors with sensitive skin subjects. HydroFlex sensors can be used directly on the skin or through hair. For best performance, moisten the HydroFlex sensors by brushing the tips with water. To install the sensors, push at the center. To remove, pry between the sensor and the connector. Do not pull on the tips of the sensor. The A1 ear clip has 2 snap connectors. Attach dry-pad ear sensors to both. Attach the passive and active lead wires to either snap on the ear clip. Then, attach the passive lead to the touch-proof connector on the A1 handle and the active lead to the 3.5mm connector on the A1 handle. Use the optional A2 ear clip for recordings that need A2, like linked ears sessions. The A2 ear clip has a single snap connector. Attach a dry-pad ear sensor, then attach the active lead wire to the A2 handle. This is optional, and it's for recording additional ECG, EMG, or EOG channels. Attach a passive lead wire to the touch-proof connector on the A2 handle. Use fresh, fully charged alkaline or NIMH batteries. To install, slide open the battery door on the A1 handle. Remove the batteries if the headset will not be used for a few days or longer. Check the power status light. When the light is off, the headset is off. The headset is on when the light turns green. Batteries are low when the light is yellow and critically low when the light turns red. This is the trigger indicator. If you're using the optional CGX stim trigger, the light will be off when the trigger is out of range and blue when the trigger is in range. Plug the dongle into your computer and Windows will automatically install the correct drivers. If the drivers don't load properly, refer to the Quick 20R manual. Each Quick 20R is permanently paired to a receiver dongle. The pair automatically discover and initiate a connection when both are powered on and within a 10-meter range. The power light on the dongle indicates its current state. Green, power on, no active connection. Purple, searching for paired headset. Blue, device found. Flashing blue, data transmitting. Once you've established a connection, data should begin to stream. Double-click on the CGX acquisition software icon. You should see CGX Quick 20R under Discovered Devices. Click the device name and click Connect. You should now see the device configuration window. Click Start Device. We now see data streaming into the display. Click the Channels tab on the top right-hand side of the program. This will bring you to the impedance check. You are now ready to begin using the device. Here's how to place the headset on your subject's head. Grasp the handles and gently pull them apart to open the headset. Slide over the subject's head. Check for symmetry side to side, making sure the ear pads are resting securely around the ears, brushing aside excess hair from around the ear pads. Untangle any legs, making sure the pods rest comfortably against the head. Position the FP1 and FP2 sensors 1 centimeter above the eyebrows. This is an important step. Now, push the headset downwards until the CZ sensor makes good contact with the top of the head. Double-check all the pods lie flat on the subject's head. Brush aside excess hair on the forehead and any other positions where dry pad sensors are installed. Lift the ear pad to access the earlobe and clean with alcohol. Place the A1 ear clip on the earlobe and attach the ear clip to the A1 handle. Attach the A2 ear clip if needed. Bring up the impedance check in the CGX data acquisition software under the Channels tab. The A1 ear clip, with reference and ground attached, must be installed to get valid impedance data. The impedance check presents a color-coded map of the sensors on the device corresponding to contact level. Red impedance is beyond acceptable range. Green impedance is at the top end of the acceptable range, and dark green indicates impedance is within the acceptable range. Check for acceptable impedance measures on each channel. If you need to adjust a pod, try these methods. For CZ, gently pull down on the handles until the CZ position reports adequate contact. Always perform this first step. It's important to get good impedance readings on CZ before moving on to the other positions. For positions other than CZ, lift the pod to move hair aside. Lower the pod, keeping the sensor aligned to the subject's head. Gently twist the sensor adjustment, moving the sensor through the subject's hair. Apply a smooth downward pressure while twisting. Lightly press down on the pod, holding for 5 seconds, then gently release the pod. Avoid lifting the pod when releasing. For all adjustments, keep a hand on top of the headset to prevent disrupting or moving the system. After you have acceptable impedance levels, click Record under the Device tab to begin recording. Enter a file name. Choose your recording format: EDF, BDF, EEG, LAY, or text. To end the recording, under the same tab, click Stop Recording. Press the power button once to turn off the Quick 20R. Place the headset either upside down with the top of the headset resting on a tabletop or on its side resting on a handle. For additional information on your recordings, including anomalies, see our video entitled Signal Quality Troubleshooting.